you got?
18.
We're back.
You done?
Yeah, I can't finish it.
Just leave it on the plate.
Nah, don't throw it there.
What?
I know somebody.
Food away?
I know somebody who would love to have that right now.
Oh, here's my. Just go and give it to him.
Ooh,
No, not right now.
I'm full too.
The only thing I don't really, I mean, like, it's good, but I just hate seeing blood and meat. I hate seeing it.
That's not blood, Taylor.
No, there's literally blood in here. I can see it. Even in here. Literally in here. Whew. That was a bit loud.
I'm gonna move my tongue. And you know, they went to the store and they said they had to go back, but I'm like, Mom, what you about?
She be eating?
Yeah, she talk like that. Like she, you know, like swallowing or something.
Yeah.
So,
Ooh, that was good. Good dinner.
had to switch phones because the other one ran out of space or something. So, we gonna get ready to end our mukbang, what is it?
Okay.
Mukbang.
Good dinner. Or like the country folks say, supper.
No, supper is lunch.
Huh?
Dinner is dinner.
Eat supper.
When people say, you want some supper? That's lunch. Or old folks say.
I thought that was dinner.
I thought it was dinner too,
Mm-mm. I mean, it is. Some people say supper for dinner, but really supper is really supposed to be like lunch.
Just here. Y'all ready to eat? Want some eat?
Yeah, Mama said supper. Y'all want some supper?
Who would eat? Taylor. Eat.
You want some eat?
Want some eat? I want some eat.
In the refrigerator.
For sure.
Oh, it's Caleb. He really had one. He pronounced his words pretty good.
That's why
He had an
talk-
older sister.
Why you talk like that now? Talking all proper. We don't
Although he
talk
couldn't
proper
say
in this
Taylor.
house.
He couldn't say Taylor, so he said Tay Tay. Remember that video? She was in the tub and he had his little pimple on his socks.
Oh.
He said something and Taylor wasn't listening. He's like, Tay Tay. She wanted to talk to him. He's like, Tay Tay. Yeah. Tay Tay! Then she was like, what? Like, what?
Talking all proper.
Oh, his dinosaur. Every time I go in the store and I see a little dinosaur, I want to pick it up. I'm like, oh, Boogeyman probably like this. And I'm like, Taylor.
Boy, watch your
Mommy,
glass, man. Pay attention.
He 10 now. He ain't want to like dinosaur. He don't want dinosaurs no more, Mommy.
Shoot, I still want Dora.
Alright, favorite cartoon? Either now or when you was younger, a little younger, or whatever.
When I was younger, it was Dora.
Alright, what about you?
SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Dino Dan? No. Ninja Turtles? No.
Oh, what's your favorite movie?
So my favorite cartoon.
All time.
Well, I like Top.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn.
I don't know.
I don't know. Tom and Watch Jerry? cartoons now.
Powerpuff Girls. What them little girl cartoons y'all had back in the day?
I mean, like, I don't really watch the girly stuff. 'Cause I had older brother, so I kind of watch stuff that he watched. But
He-Man.
I like Hey Arnold. I like Wild Thornberries, Rugrats. I still watch that now. Nick at night, I watch it when I'm in bed.
Mm-hmm.
So What's yours?
When
I should know.
I was younger, that was my favorite. I mean, I like a lot of them. All the Looney Tunes. You know, Roll Runner, Bug, you know, Coyote, and they good too. You know, Bud Bunny. All them old ones. Good. Daffy Duck was one of my favorite characters though.
Favorite color?
Red. Blue. Come on, you're slowing us down.
Purple.
Red.
Favorite movie? I say no red.
Oh my God. That's a hard one, Taylor.
Have to. Favorite movie?
Shoot, I don't even know. Hold
Hmm.
I can't just say a favorite movie.
Griswold's Christmas.
Yeah, that's yours. All day.
I watch that all day. And Harry and the Hendersons.
Mm-hmm.
What's yours?
I don't know.
You don't have one?
I do. I just don't know. There's all the good ones.
Yeah, she made it
that's
hard.
not a good one.
I had to say a couple of them.
I actually have two.
Mm.
I have Friday.
Yes,
and
Friday.
Then Friday, and then what was that movie called? Never Have I Ever. Is that a movie or? It's technically a movie.
I had to really sit and think about my favorite movie, but a couple of them. Coming to America.
Oh,
Super Bad. Fun with Dick and Jane.
I know one y'all didn't say.
Just, you know, movies like that.
Unhinged.
It's a good one.
You forgetting one
It's
though.
been my top 10.
What?
You're
Yeah.
forgetting.
I mean, anything like Jim Carrey, man, like Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, and
So
Dumb and Dumber.
no, the one you're forgetting is what's the movie with Morgan Freeman?
Shawshank Redemption.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. I watched it a few times.
I don't remember.
And probably
The
The
Core.
Core. Hmm.
And yours used to be Twister.
That was yours. That was not mine.
Girl, you used to watch Twister like crazy. Them tornadoes.
That was yours.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And the other one you like, is it 7?
7. Yep.
See, how I know your favorite movies and you don't know?
So we've been married for. She don't like.
Yeah.
She don't like me say how long we been married for.
They've been married for 18 months.
18 months. But yeah. Alright, I lost my train of thought messing with Tay Tay.
Thought you a fool.
Yeah, I can take one more, right?
Damn, what did I say? Can't remember.
Let's see what's in the book.
What you?
I have a question. I mean, I have a. I have a question.
What?
Go on, girl.
Where is one place in the whole world you would want to travel to, or always wanted to travel?
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
The North Pole.
To see Santa Claus and Claus. You're an angry elf.
What about you?
Chicago.
Yeah, Will Ferrell.
Chicago? What's in Chicago?
That's also where I want to live too.
What's in Chicago?
What's
What's
in-
Chicago?
I don't know.
Chicago Bears. What's Chicago Bears? Basketball? Baseball?
No.
Baseball?
It's football.
Oh.
I mean, I got a couple of places, but if I was just narrow one down,
That's
Key-
where I
Key
also
West,
want to
Florida.
live, too.
Key West.
Florida?
Key West. Not just Florida. Not just Florida. Key West, Florida. Just be surrounded by all that water. Just
Bora Bora.
No. Mine is Fiji
Puerto Rico.
and no,
What's that other place?
LA.
Seoul, Korea.
No.
I always wanted to go to Tokyo, but ever since I saw Seoul, Korea, I was like, I want to go there.
I would like to see Dubai, in person. You know.
You used to always want to go
But
to
other than
Dubai.
that, I don't know.
I mean, you used to say that.
Ain't nowhere really just more I want to go.
Well, if things start settling down, maybe we start taking some trips to some of these places. But I don't know how much longer we have on this video, so we're going to get ready to end the mukbang.
8 minutes.
Mukbang.
We still
Mukbang.
got a little time. The sit, eat, and talk. The sit, eat, and talk. That's what we did.
Your song out of your mouth. Like,
What, Emily? What?
You're a funny looking little man.
Well, that's one you forgot.
I have one more question.
Well, that might not be the move, but you forgot one.
What?
I have 2 more questions, actually.
Wild hogs.
Oh, yeah.
I got 2 more questions.
That's real.
What do y'all plan on doing in y'all's future life?
Retiring. Byron. I don't know. Maybe traveling. Maybe.
Yep.
Come and visiting y'all.
Mm-hmm.
baseball, football, or rapping.
Dad.
Retiring and then just getting his skin and have a happy life.
Long time, hopefully. Not working, living off of my son and my daughter's paycheck.
You win.
I say you don't want the Corvette.
Corvette.
No, I mean, I would like to retire, you know, with my current career. Do 20 years and retire. I just look forward to, I don't want to be an empty nester, because I'm just so used to us both. But when we do become empty nesters, them coming over to visit, bring their kids over, we grandparents, and we go take a trip to see them and stuff like that.
Y'all probably gonna have to come to either California or Chicago.
See you in the team.
Nope.
Tiana.
Oh no.
They already know,
Brittany.
but y'all don't really know.
Oh, Lily.
Nope.
I forgot about Lily. My bad.
They already know, but I don't really know. I want to be a labor delivery travel nurse, and maybe after that, when I turn like 50 or something, a lawyer.
You just saying we know, but you don't really know.
We don't know.
That makes no sense.
You'll see what you.
Anyways, I have one more question.
Anyway, me again.
Where do y'all want to live?
Boom.
Where do y'all want to live in the future?
I don't know where, but as long as it's on some water.
I was just about to say it. Somewhere on the lake or a river.
He says Chicago.
Or California.
Me, California, or Houston, Texas.
H-Town.
All right, guys. Well,
Yeah, Houston booming, girl. Houston growing. That's one of the quickest growing cities in the United States, girl. Houston, H-Town, girl. Get with it.
all right, guys. So we are done eating, and since I done tore up the sauce.
Yeah, she ain't sharing. Over here crying, laughing, like it's funny.
We see y'all on the next mukbang. Bye. Bye.
She gotta make us a cake tomorrow because she ate all the sauce. So.
Taylor's the baker.